Going to see is taxonomic categories. So coming to the taxonomic categories, the process of classification is not a single step but involves hierarchy of steps. Each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomical arrangement, we call the taxonomic category and all the categories together as taxonomic hierarchy. Each category is referred to as unit of classification. So it is represented by the rank commonly called as taxon. So taxon is considered as the unit of classification. So taxon is singular and taxa is plural. So taxonomic categories and hierarchy can be illustrated. For example, insects represents the organism sharing 3 paired jointed links. It means insects are recognized concrete objects which when be classified they have given a rank or category. Therewise, birds represent a group which has feathers, beaks and hollow bones, due to which they kept in a separate rank or category in taxonomic hierarchy. So coming to such groups like insects, birds represent the category. Category further is denoted as rank. So you can call it as category or rank. Each rank or taxon. So each rank or taxon fact represent the unit of classification. The taxonomic groups or categories are distinct biological entities, not merely morphological. So these are distinct biological entities, not merely morphological aggregates. They are the distinct biological entities, not merely morphological aggregates. Taxonomical studies of all known organisms have led to the development of common categories such as kingdom, phyla or division. Division will be for plants. Class, order, family, genus and species. All organisms are those in plants and animals. Kingdoms have species is the lowest category. So this we call it as the species. Lowest category. And coming to to place an organism in various categories, basic requirement of knowledge of characters of an individual or a group of organism. So this helps in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among individuals and same kind of organisms as well as other kind. So let's talk about the hierarchy of categories. Very first thing is species. So the term species was given by John Ray. So species is the basic unit of biological classification. The basic unit of biological classification and the lowest taxonomical category. So taxonomical studies consider a group of individuals with fundamental similarities as species. Species can also be defined as group of individuals having similar morphological characters, capable of interbreed and produce fertile offsprings. That is species. Species are the group of similar individuals having same morphological characters which can able to interbreed among themselves and produce fertile offsprings. One should distinguish from one species from others closely related based on distinct morphological differences. Let us consider Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, Panthera leo. So in these names, indica, tuberosum, leo, these are the specific epithet and means species. Mangifera, Solanum, Panthera are the genera. So these are the genera. So represent the specific epithets. The first word Mangifera, Solanum, Panthera are genera. Represent another different organisms having morphologically similar. For example, Panthera is another specific epithet called the tigris. Solanum includes Solanum nigrum and Solanum melongena. Right? So human beings belong to this species called sapiens. So included under the genus Homo. So the specific name thus human beings is written as Homo sapiens. Right, next thing, genus. So this is also given by John Ray. So the next higher category above the level of species. The Latinized more applied to the genus is generic name. The first part of the scientific name of the binomial nomenclature, it is generally a noun. It is a group of closely related species which has more characters in common in comparison to the other genera. So some group of species which is having more characters in common. You can say that genera are aggregate closely related species. For example, potato, tomato, brinjal. All the three are different species, but they will comes under one genera, that is Solanum. Lion, leopard, tiger. All the three are the different species, but they are closely related under one genera called Panthera. So all the species genus Panthera, this genus differ from another genus Felis. So this genus like Panthera is differ from another genus called Felis. And the next thing, family. This term is also given by John Ray. So family is the category represented the group of related genera more similar to each other than the genera of other families. So families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative, reproductive. Among these examples we have different genera like Solanum, Petunia, Datura, all the three will comes under one family called Solanaceae. Among the examples like Panthera, Felis, will comes under the family called Felidae. Felidae. And cat and family is different. So cat family is Felidae, dog family is Canidae, respectively. And next, order. This word is actually given by Linnaeus. The species, genus, families are based on number of similarities. So the group of related families, high order is the higher category, and the group of related families will comes under the common thing which is called the order. So the similar characters are number of compared from different genera included in family. Put families like Convallaceae, Solanaceae in the order called polymonials. Polymonials. This both will comes under polymonials based on the floral characters, and the names also will end with ALES. So Carnivora is the order for Felidae and Canidae.